But we have also raised the excise duty on petrol and diesel by 2 rupees. Now there was a big halla yesterday when they saw the finance ministry notification. Arey, badh gaya, daam badh gaya. Arey, we clarified the daam at the petrol retail point will not go up. It will remain the same. What we'll do is we'll collect some resources which will help, because we are committed to those oil companies. When they last time they incurred a loss of 28,000 crores on gas, we compensated them by 22,000 crores. So this is to do that. Now you come to the second part of your question. Oil prices are coming down. Wonderful news. Do you know something? We spend something like $150 billion a year on oil imports. If the oil price is down 20%, which means we save 30% overall, $30 billion. That is the value of our exports. So it's good news. But all things good, my friend, have to be sustained. If the oil price today is 61.89 yesterday, I don't know what it is as of this morning because I've been in functions like this. Today we are carrying 45 days of reserves. The price in beginning January for oil was $83 a barrel. And if I take the average of the 45 days, it comes to something like $75 a barrel. Now, if the price goes even from 60 to 65 or more, yes, the oil marketing companies will have headroom to bring prices down. But it's a deregulated sector. I can't keep telling them, acha petrol or diesel pe bhi under recovery kar lo or gas pe bhi kar lo. But they are called very responsible corporate citizen. They're very good people. They helped us out on gas. We are compensating them. And petrol and diesel, let your red attire of the day signal that if the trend remains like this, yes, they will bring the prices down.
But that's the criticism. The criticism is कि चाहे वो 100 रुपया बैरल हो या 60 रुपया बैरल हो, कंज्यूमर 100 रुपया दे रहा है.
नहीं
95 रुपए 100 रुपए दे रहा है.
एक आप काम करिए, आपके पास बहुत रिसोर्सेज है, बहुत इन्फ्लुएंशियल चैनल है न्यूज 18. आप एक लिस्ट बनाइए कि सबसे ज्यादा हल्ला पेट्रोल और डीजल प्राइसेस पे कौन करता है, और मैं रिजल्ट आपको अभी बताता हूं. एक ऐसी आइडियोलॉजी के लोग हैं, एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है, मैं नाम नहीं लेता, उनकी 2-3 जगह शायद सरकार बची हुई है जहां पे वो नेशनल लेवल से 10-12 रुपए ज्यादा चार्ज करते हैं, और जब ये प्राइस की बात होती है सबसे ज्यादा हल्ला वो मचाते हैं. भाई साहब, बीजेपी रूल स्टेट्स में और उन स्टेट्स में 10-12 रुपए का फर्क है. अगर आप देखिए डिफरेंस बिटवीन लखनऊ एंड नॉन बीजेपी स्टेट नियर बाय, 10 rupees difference. If you see between Assam and another non-BJP state closest to that, I didn't name West Bengal. I didn't name it, but proximity में देखो तो वही आती है. देखिए ये this is hypocrisy of the highest order. और ऐसा है जिनको कुछ चीज की समझ नहीं. अरे आप बात कर रहे हो, अब मैंने कहा भैया जो स्टॉक हमने लिया है 45 दिन का, उस पे वो that was not bought at 60. I think it's a very legitimate point to make when the stock which you are holding was bought at 60. आपकी दुकान में माल भरा हुआ है जो आपने 80 रुपए पे खरीदा है और कहा आप 60 रुपए हो गया, उसको लॉस में बेच दो, कैसे होगा?
पर